Click Reports. Click All Available Reports. Search for the desired report. Click the More menu on the Reports card. For this example, we'll use the Aggressive Driving Report. Select Edit Report. Click the Email Report tab. Click on to enable email options. Under Display Options, select which groups and individuals need to receive the report. Alternatively, click Yes to email the report to yourself. Under Report Data Configuration, select which type of report to send, PDF or Excel. Select the date range and refresh period to determine the time period of the emailed report and how often it should be sent. In Belonging to, select which groups the report will pull data from. Click Save when finished. Congratulations! You've completed this tutorial for how to set up emailed reports.